Every bit of enhancement has direct correlation with your online store. Scrolling text section is another trending and great way to engage your store visitors and display your important promos, infos and stores key highlights, etc. Today's video we will cover all these 3 points. Number 1, installation of this scrolling text section and some important settings. Top 3 placements in Shopify store where you can place this section, and some important examples so you will get the best ideas for your business. Let's start the process. First of all, come to online, click edit code, click section folder and click the new section. Here we need to input the name. So we will copy all our code from the source code gdoc file which I have already prepared. So let's first copy the name of this file and paste it here. Mostly people commit a mistake here. They unintentionally add extra space which is incorrect, so our file will not work. Make sure your file name doesn't have any extra space. Please double check it. Now let's copy our step 1 code. And paste it all here and click save button. Okay, for step 2, click asset folder and click new asset. Give it the same name as we did with the step 1. Okay, now let's copy the step 2 code and paste it here and click save. Now our code pasting work has been completed. Now let's add this scrolling text section on our theme. Just refresh your Shopify customizer window and then search for the section. Probably it's living at the bottom of the section list. I'm using Shopify Dawn theme for the demo. It works on all Shopify themes. Here is our section with the default settings. Let me just change the text and you will get the idea. And also you can edit section settings. It's pretty straightforward like other section settings. Now our scrolling text section is fully installed. Alright, let's move to video's second part. Now let's check the top placements of the section so it become the most beneficial for our Shopify store. It's not a hard and fast rule, but a good practice can say you can place it wherever you feel better. So the first placement is just below your homepage hero banners or any other first section. Here it looks great and convey a message efficiently. As I said, you can input your promotional messages or your business unique offerings. And the second placement I would recommend at the footer section like this. You can write your business motto, services, or any punchline that defines your business well. I like this placement because it will be visible on every page like product page, etc. Again, remember, I just placed my suggestions. You are all free to explore your experiments. And the third best position is on the product page like this. You can display your product best features. Also, you can make it dynamic so you can display information according to the product. For learning more about dynamic content, please watch my some of my previous videos based on the dynamic connections. Hey everyone, I am Gaurav and welcome to Outbox Ads. If you need a professional Shopify store or a fresh redesign for your existing one, I have got you covered. Just reach out and let's make your online store stand out. Now let's quickly move to video's third part. Let's see some of the examples I created to give you the ideas and better understanding. Here all it is. My tip for this scrolling section is to use at least two types of mixed data elements like image and text in combination for the better result and effectiveness. For overall store UI enhancement, you should use every useful resource you can avail, and this scrolling text section is one of them. To get this source code file, check description below.